Yo. Got it effort. Yo, Jim Blab. You helicopter your tick around. I just took a 3 mini short real quick. What up? Got to be in it to win it. I did not play it to the upside, PG. I did not play it to the upside. Honestly, this isn't like we drop like this, and then that's just not what I'm looking for. There's different structures that I like and that I don't like. Just not what I was looking for. Dude, you just told me you had 5. Didn't you just have 5 pro accounts? How'd you go from 5 pro accounts to 0? Four now? I'm not even looking for the upside, to be honest with you. I was able to reduce all of these to under $100 loss. I passed this account, got this one up. Hold on one second. I didn't like, what the fuck was that? My copy trader just had an error. I don't know what's going on with the Bulenox sale because my copy trade, I don't like. Yo, it just expired. Yeah. Yo, what up, BK? Yeah. Bulenox sale is done. I would not buy any. I would go over and use my funded future core accounts, take profit trader accounts. I'm thinking what the cheapest account is outside of Bulenox now. Yo, what up, Willie? People wanted to see what was behind the AI screen. So I took the AI screen off just to show everybody. So it's just a wall and a couch behind me, but people wanted to see. So I'll put the AI screen back in a little bit. Yo, you got trade day, $59. No activation fee. Yeah, but you don't have any cheap accounts. Now I'm looking for see if there's any cheapies. I was doing interviews before. That's why I had to jump off. Phidias? Yo, it's my casting couch. Yo, the cleaners came through. I had one last interview before I got on the stream. Yo, use code. Oh, Ray. You got it, Ray. What I don't get is you make good trades. I don't understand. Yo, when they come in, they use coupon code CoveTrader for the interview. Yo, I wouldn't turn a black light on that bad boy. I have Phidias accounts. Here's 3 Phidias funded accounts right here. These are all 3 Phidias fundeds. And then I got Take Profit Trader, eval, Take Profit Trader, eval. I'm just building those 2 up. I'm hoping to take a payout from this account next week. If all goes well, I'll have a payout by Wednesday night. Wednesday night payout. Ain't nothing but a payout party. You want a TPT payout on record? I mean, you can get there. Cove, are you going broke? What happened to your 100 million? Dude, this is just the room I trade in. You guys wanted to, Kinja, people wanted to know what my room looked like when I had the AI screen off. So I just turned it off. I don't understand. Yo, what up, Double O? Yo, Knob. Ain't nothing but a gangster party. Yo, people love my office, man. It's crazy. At least 2 drums. Dude, that's wild, Ray. Ray, $50? I take the money. Just seeing who's behind me, if anyone's came in for an interview. Sean, is this not the best? Yo, CT, maybe they're doing you a favor, man. Sometimes they're just doing you a favor. Just stick to what's working. Yo, Ray says he blacked out. Yo, he blacked out. Yo, what up? What up, Diddy? By the way, can you go through the My Funded Future payout deal starter plus? 5 days of $100 or more, and you can request a payout. 5 days, $100 or more each day in gains, and you can get a payout. I just passed one today, CT. I needed $54, and then I needed $2,054, and then I passed it. Nothing like needing $54 and then needing 2,054. What up, AK? Yo, I didn't look at the email. I've been handling something personal. All right, so when you take the money out, you can no longer go below 50,100. Also, it just starts over. You need 5 days of $100 or more to request a payout. I'm not sure. I believe though you do another 5 days of $100 or more, and you can request the money you made on the last one also. So if you only make $500, but you have a huge buffer, you can request more money. One of my teams is out, BK, and my other team plays Saturday. It's a play-in game. If we win, we play Sunday best of 3 series. I can't make Saturday's game because it's my kid's birthday, but I am starting Sunday if we get there. Starting pitcher. Yo, Sean, you want to see a problem account? Here's a problem account. This is a funded account that was under $48,000. I think it was under 48,000, or it was like right there to blow. And now I'm up, and I've had this for a lot of days. Yo, Ray, what was your biggest single day loss? Oh, I mean, I was just curious what your single day loss was. Mine's probably about $12,000 to $15,000 in a day. Yo, what sucks, Sean, is the account's low. So at this point, like if I make $1,000 in this, yeah, I get it up, but then my consistency is completely fucked. Then I need to get it to like, 52,000 for fucking payout or something. 50, What up, Vexus? Dell, it goes static. Once you hit $2,000 in TPT Pro, it goes static. Yeah, you just can't go below $50,000, but you can go up. The trailing drawdown stops. A lot of people don't realize that Take Profit Trader Pro, your pro funded account becomes static once you hit the buffer. Jim Blab passes a Tradeify eval today. Oh, see, I'm dealing with the other issue. I'm in a starter account here, so there's obviously a problem. Yo, knob. Whatever happened to Stay Blue? I have no idea, man. I haven't heard that name in a while. I don't know what happened to him. Yeah, Willie. You can't go down because if you go down, say you lose 1,000 and then you make 1,000 the next day, now your consistency is based off that 1,000. So basically, if you lose in the beginning, you kind of need a bunch of small days, or you just got to say fuck it and just say, hey, I'm going to do. You can do $800 a day, but you can't do like 1,500. Oh my god! Anybody ever frappe? Oh shit, dude, that's like liquid cocaine. Anyways, back to fucking. So yeah, so I'm dealing with this issue. We're right here. I wouldn't long this. If it consolidates, comes back down, and then comes back, I might go for it. What flavor? I made it myself, so it's just coffee. There's no like, I call it a frappe, but there's not like a lot of sugar or anything in it. I'm waiting for short setups. I feel like it's gonna dump a flab gay. These guys from Cyprus that I know turned me on to drinking these. They make it using Classico instant. I think it's like instant coffee, and they like whip it. They put some water in it. They whip it, a little milk. They whip it again. I don't know. Dude, you never shorted the market? Yeah, it's Classico. It's it's like a little process to make it. It's good though. Mediterranean men checks out. This might fucking just take off here. I mean, this is definitely a flag.
Order filled.
I'm just trying to make like, if I can make like another 100 or 200, that'd be really fucking nice. Pop. Pop. One big fucking. Are you kidding? They didn't. I thought we would algo candle. Once you got up to here, I figured we'd algo up. Come on, baby. Give me like 80 bucks. I'll take $80 here. $80 Mr. Hello. What happens in Cyprus? I've never been to Cyprus. They were on student visas, how I met them. One guy went back. The other three are still here. No, actually, one went to the UK. I don't still talk to him, really. One went to the UK, works in finance. And two of them are still over here. One's in the restaurant business. I don't know what the other guy's doing.
Order filled.
Come on, turn it all green. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. I want to see all greens. Pump it. Give me a fucking big ass candle. No, I want a red one. Green one. Green. Oh. No, I accidentally said red. Oh. Whatever. I think I scalped this for a couple bucks. I'm guessing you know from experience? Yeah, it definitely did. I want to see if they just fucking run this right here. Or are they going to dump it? I would think it's going to tag. Bro, not on that. That was $43. Oh, shit. I turned it around. Oh, that's what I wanted to do so bad today, was turn that red to green. I have a box of Polaroids. Yo, those accounts were down 300 at one point today. All of them. Fucking taking the copier off. It's 243. I'm taking the copier off. I'm fine ending like this. You know what I got, actually? I got a fund that I didn't pay for, and I just paid for it. Boom, 287. Right here, 50K, 50K, 50K. Yo, what up, barbecue? You know what we didn't do yet today? Oh, look, it hit my fucking target right there. It hit the imbalance. Yo, we didn't play the number game yet. We need to play the number game at least once. I got the number. All right, I got the number. You guys ready to play numbers? If you don't know the number game, choose between 1 to 100. I'll give you clues after we start. If no one's getting it, ready, set, Go. Let's see who wins. Oh, somebody was so close. Somebody was so close. Oh, yo, it's 1 to 50. Yo, AKA just got it. AKA just got it. It was 45. Forward. Yeah, I'm almost positive. It was AKA just got it. Oh, the number was 45 and it was 245. So every time I search, it goes down to all of them. Oh, I should redo the number if we're at the same minute. Oh, that's fucking, I didn't even think of that. The first guy was AKA. Yeah. Yeah, you were after TJ. You were like right after him. I seen it. Brandy. Oh, that was a good one. Dude, there were so many 44s and 46s. Yeah, TJ, you were literally right after him. Yeah. I saw it come in. What are we thinking? Short here? Yo, I had ghost orders happen twice today. Ghost orders have happened. Contracts are expensive? Which ones? Jack Boom? Yo, what up, Pine? Hold on 1 second. We're in the middle of this fucking. How you got 45 first? Where does Jack? I don't even see your thing. Hold on. I'm gonna get out of this trade real quick. So obviously we use my chat. My chat is the one. So BK had it. Jack Boom, you got it. TJ was before you. Joshua was before him. Look, AKA was the first one. AKA was the first one. You came in after. Scroll up. Dude, I'm control Fing it. Look. You chose 70. When you chose 45, you chose it right here. That's when you chose it, right? I scroll up. TJ was before you. Joshua was before you. AKA was the first person. We went over this, dude. Everybody's screen, because it's going so fast, everybody's screen is a little bit different. But that's why we have to have the only one that matters is my chat, because everybody's screen's a little bit different. So we got to go off of one consistent chat, and that's my Streamlabs chat. There you go, Siddharth. Dude, it's a solid day, man. Super solid. Yeah, because you know what? Then your screen says something. You know, Merlin's screen says something. Ted's screen has something else. You got to go by one consistent, and that's going to be mine. Yeah. I'm glad I held this. Boom, Merlin. Boom. I can't believe I fucking took this off to go look at who put 45 in first. From now on, everybody knows the rules. I look at my chat. My chat's the only one that counts. I'm not even going to go through it anymore. It's all good, but going forward, it's my chat. We'll send proof. You'll get it. Yo, Merlin, I'll be honest with you. You're not going to get approved until probably Sunday night. I've requested on Friday, and I have not gotten it until Sunday night approved. Just throwing it out there. So you might not see anything until then. Yo, CT, did you play the 3-minute fair value gap to the upside? Yeah, but they got to approve it. So basically what happens is, because it's Friday, the day recycles at 10 at night, and they might not be in the office until Sunday. Yo, you don't take the afternoon one? I feel like the afternoon one hits a lot. I feel like the afternoon one always hits. Holy shit. Yeah, I've requested on Friday before, and then I get it on Sunday. You still have the money on Monday, but you know, they won't approve it. I'm kind of happy how today went. Bro, why you punch order on Tradeify to copy trade and replicate? Why do I put my order in on Tradeify to copy trade and Replicanto? How else would you copy trade, Sidar? I don't know how you would copy trade without Replicanto. There's no more free longs. Just got to hit the button, Corey. Just got to hit the button. It's so easy. You just have to hit the button. Yo, I'm in Bitcoin short 7x leverage right now. You're using NinjaTrader. So am I. I trade on Tradeivate instead of NinjaTrader because NinjaTrader is harder to place orders. NinjaTrader is harder to place orders than Tradeivate. 1,000%. Like here, I'll just show you. You know, like say I want to place an order on Ninja. You know, what do I got to do? I gotta write, like, you know, what am I doing here? I'm right clicking and I got to go to buy limit. Like, why do I have to right click, go to buy limit? Like, that's so long when I can just right there. It's so quick. My leader, this is no, this isn't my leader account, but my leader account, yo, the knob. Have you ever seen that I think it's Family Guy cartoon, the Make Money Online guy? He's like, "Why I rich, you poor? Why I pee in your toilet bowl? Top when you flush it comes back in toilet. Why why when you at work I bang your wife?" He's a Family Guy. That shit is so funny. Yo, I just don't want to use Ninja Trader like that. Why don't you use Tradeivate, man? You should use Tradeivate is what you should do. I heard trading on Ninja charts are bad luck. I would not have hit that on Ninja Trader. I have no idea, man. I don't want the Ninja Trader charts up. Also, do you know the amount of resources Ninja Trader uses versus Tradeivate? Like, for $95, buy the affordable indicators, basic buy sell buttons. Buy on green, sell on red. Quant Tower is the fastest one out of all of them. Honestly, if somebody said, why don't you use Quant Tower? Quant Tower is the fastest. Here's a quick question for everybody. Yo, Siddharth, why don't you use Quant Tower? Look how fast I place my orders. Why don't you use this one? I guarantee you Ninja Trader's not that fast. Quant Tower is the fastest. By far, Quant Tower is the fastest. If you want speed, the only problem with Quant Tower is rhythmic accounts. See, if you use TradeSyncer, you can copy trade Quant Tower through TradeSyncer to all your other accounts, and then you can trade just on Quant Tower. So what I do is I copy trade Quant Tower to one account through TradeSyncer, and that one account is the lead account on Replicanto, and then copy trades to all the other ones. Like, I don't know how many you copy trade, but on a normal morning, I might copy trade 25 accounts at once. Yo, I don't never use TradingView to trade like that. I trade my personal on TradingView because I'm not looking to scout. Kid Poker finally made it to a payout, but might get denied. Bro, why are you going to get denied? Yo, I would write a message that says, you guys just owe me. I don't have any lag. I personally do not have any lag with Quant Tower. So the only reason you'd have lag with Quant Tower is it's probably your computer because it's actually downloaded on your desktop. You're not using a web version. So if your Quant Tower is a bit laggy, it's your computer. It's not like Tradeivate is a web-based platform. So I'm on the same, right now, I'm on the same Tradeivate as everybody else. But your Quant Tower works different than my Quant Tower because it's actual software. So if my computer is fast enough, I won't have lags. What up, Liquidated? Yo, what up, Keith? I would look into, there's certain things with Quant Tower you could do to make it not laggy if your computer is not like super fast, I guess. If you reach out to the Quant Tower customer support, they'll help you out. Just, I'm just telling you a little tidbit. Yeah, exactly. You have 32 gigs of RAM. My computer has more than that. Yeah. It's probably because you only have 32 gigs of RAM. I'm just trying to help you out, man. I'm able to stream. I have NinjaTrader running sometimes with 7 charts of NinjaTrader. I have Quant Tower running. I have 9 tabs of TradingView running. I have, obviously, I said the streaming software running. I got a lot of shit going, but I think it's if you can up the RAM, it'll probably help you out. So if you contact them, they'll do some. So they actually changed something about my Quant Tower 2 days ago, and the guy literally said that this is a better way to run the copy trader. Let me see if I can just pull it up. If you tell them the copy trader is having an issue, so look, I'll just show you, because I think look, see. So say first, more for stable performance, he moved it to the Quant Tower to the root. Second, he installed the beta version where the copy trader works better. I have no issues, but I have 64 gigs of RAM also on my computer. Yo, I just put the chat up with Quant Tower. Reach out to Quant Tower support. They'll help you out. Hey there, I was wondering, do you need a video editor? Is your name is that Diddy? Am I pronouncing it right? Diddy? Diddy, email me. Yes, Siddharth. He worked on my computer for 5 minutes and fixed a bunch of settings. I have ran. Yo, are you trading fat hogs? Like I tell everybody, I have Quant, Ninja, multiple charts on both, plus running scripts, streaming software, and a lot of fucking tabs, and I'm fine. Sean, I'll send you the email. If you're really interested, I'll send you the email, whatever he emails me. I might take a short up here. Yo! Do you think I can get a... Yo. Yo. No way. You did, Ron. That's not this. This is trade day. Is that what you were wondering? This is trade day. Yo, Diddy, I'm not I'm literally live streaming. I can't just start reading emails. This is trade day though. I don't know. I don't know why it's ELTD. I don't know. But yeah, it's trade day. What up, Amit? I'm not gonna lie, I do have an elite trader funding account. I will not trade it on the live stream. I would not recommend anybody buying it either. I got it for one purpose, and we're just gonna see what happens. Yeah, Diddy, I'll take a look. Bullnuts doesn't reject payouts. I've never gotten rejected from a payout from them. How's my day? My day's pretty good. I'm up a good amount of money. I could be up a lot more. I made most of my money in these funded accounts because each funded account's up 450. So I made good money here this morning. And then the rest of my funded accounts, this one's down 300, and then the rest of them are just up a little bit. I didn't really do a whole lot with funded accounts. Ron, you heard the big ones hurt? That they only like small ones? Is that what they tell you? I don't. Who are you talking about? Bulenox? Bulenox does 91% off, but their activation fees are 150. So that's how they collect their money. Can we please push out of this range? I don't know what's going to happen here. That's all they can fit in. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think we're just going to drop right out of this fucking range. There you go, Merlin. If I get a payout, I'll let you know. I have 3 funded accounts. I got each one of them for approximately $100 all in. So it cost me $300 to have 3 funded accounts. I can't really complain. It might. I won't get filled then. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it goes up, I just don't get filled. That's why I put my sells there. Like, I don't want to just go short. Honestly, I'd love to see us just dump through. I would say that we would target all the way down this wick. There you go, DW. Double teamed. Come on. Just fucking dump. Just dump. Oh, this is looking. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. I don't know if the sellers are going to be gone. I mean, who the fuck wants to hold this over the weekend? Who's sitting there like, oh, I need to buy this over the weekend? That's just my thought. Like, I would be like, I'm not holding this over the weekend with Trump talking all types of wild shit. Right? What up, Net Baba? Did they give me a funded account yet? They said I passed, but I thought they were going to give me a funded account. Let me just see real quick if they gave me one. I had to log out and log back in. Oh, you know what they did? The account's just not there now. That sucks. And I got stopped out. Did I just get fucking top ticked? I don't know who wants to buy this here end of day. I would assume that we would drop, but I could be completely wrong, obviously. I just feel like who wants to hold this over the weekend? But maybe I'm wrong and people want to buy a bunch of stocks and hold it over the weekend. I mean, you got to think he's going to be talking trade deals over the weekend. That's not necessarily something I want to be. I don't necessarily want to be holding. Dude, this looks like it's going to fucking unload. What is initial margin? I don't even know what this shit is. I'll even add another one if we fucking start dropping. I'm definitely going to drift today, CT. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I'm probably not going to do it in a funded account. I'll probably do it in an eval. That's, I'll do it in an eval. I'll actually copy trade in an eval. Any evals that are down, I'll run it in. 1,000%. I'll probably pack on, watch them give one last pump and then they just dump this shit. And you're like, got him, sucked you in, got you. Dump it. Dude, they're just, I'm going to get wicked out. They're going to pop it just enough and then they're going to dump it. Oh. Yeah, man. I mean, they'll hook it up. They'll hook it up. I don't know how he fixed it, but he said it on something. The quant tower. I told you they were going to do that. I had an issue where they left the copy trader didn't work out well, and I told them, and that's what they did. I mean, I wouldn't be trading funded accounts in this shit. That I can tell you. I might be done trading funded accounts for the day. I am pretty happy where I'm at. What's crazy is I could have lost money this morning and it just didn't happen that way. Which kind of leads me to believe that trade is going to hit on Monday because it technically didn't hit today. So the odds are it's going to hit on Monday. Start pushing for some payouts. You blew 4 evals and 1 funded. That's a rough day, man. Just come back better on Monday. You got to build back better. And how it goes. You need to build back better. Hello, I'm fake account. Yeah. I mean, listen, if you're an account and if you don't talk ever on the chat, ever, and you only come in and sign up for the duck race and don't ever chat in the chat, it's probably a fake account. And Streamlabs is going to start skewing them out. You know what I'm saying? Like Streamlabs, you can put a list of names that like they never talk in the chat. Like it'll say like 0 messages in chat. It's impossible. Well, you can see when we do the number game, you can see who enters the number game. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Look what they just did. Look what they just did, you pieces of shit. I'm just letting this ride. I'm okay blowing this account. Do I trade index options like SPX? Not really. Got him. I got something, Ali. I'm not worried. I mean, technically it's broken. What you want, though, is a big-ass red candle to go under this wick. You get under 48. There you go, Morty. If we can get under 48, yo, I wonder if you could do that.
$700 billion and $1.3 billion.
Oh, I ran out of drawdown.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Dude, there was a ton of tariff news last night. That's why we're down 2%. Dude. Unfucking believable.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Unfucking believable. I only have one. Oh, Granny, don't. That's from the Chappelle Show. Chappelle Show! Chappelle Show! Dude, that shit was funny. I always wanted him to make another season of that, and they just never did. They never got it going. I don't know why. Whew. Who the fuck is holding this? Just let it go. Dude, we can go very low. We can test the lows. I should have bought right here, to be honest with you, and I fucking did not. This was my big mistake of the day. I didn't like it. I didn't like it because we swept down with this like big wick and then we never took it out. I'm so happy they stopped me out to only come back. That's kind of what I'm looking for, Sean. I do think it's going to dump. I mean, I would not be buying stocks on Friday of a weekend where Trump could just be like, tariffs, 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 tariffs. Like, I don't know. Free resets for people if they traded yesterday afternoon. What firm, Rick? Yo, Tory's trend lines. Dude. Yo, I thought their platform was so fucking good. Fucking joke. I thought their platform was so good. Yeah, I'm so glad I don't trade with them. I heard two-step, or do you mean Topstep? Dude, because it's $150 activation fee, plus you got to pay $53 for an account. They are the most expensive prop firm that's out there to get funded. And then they do a 50-50 profit split with you for 30 days. I would like more than half my money. Personally, I want more than half my money. I like money. They're not the best at all, but they're not even close to the, you know. I would trade Topstep over Topstep. I would trade my funded futures over them. I would trade Take Profit Trader over them. I don't think they're even top two. Phew, I saw that, Sean. Yeah, I mean, a 50-50 profit split for 30 days is kind of rough. But, you know, plus, the, you know, I don't know. It's one of those things. They're just so expensive. It's just so expensive. Yeah, $149 activation fee and then $53 for the account. So if it costs you, if you pass 1 in every 4 accounts, it's $350 for a funded account. That fucking. Did we find that? That was it? I said we were going to get it. Apex activation is $14, $140, and I also only pay $16 for an account, Willie, not 53. So I could buy, I don't know, 4 accounts for almost one of theirs. I load up when Apex does 90% off. I tell everybody, you got to work the discounts. If you're not working the discounts, then you're losing money also. Work the discounts, buy the accounts when they're on sale. If they're not on sale, don't buy them. You got to have money management within the prop firms that you trade with. You know, Apex is 90 off. Get some Apex accounts. My Funded Futures is 50% off. Get an account. That's crazy. I mean, you got to think you're buying in volume. You know, if you're buying in volume, you know, if you're saving $30 times how many accounts, I mean, it's definitely worth it. I use Fideas. That's who I use with, I use Fideas on my Quant Tower accounts. I like Quant Tower, so it gives me the ability to use Quant Tower and then copy trade off Quant Tower over to here. Dude, that shit was crazy, man. That was a crazy wick. Now, does that wick get tested is the biggest question. Dude, $30 times however many accounts you're getting. So if you got fucking 10 accounts all month, that's $300. I hate those candles. Dude, we're back at this fucking range. Just doing the same shit again. Yeah, Take Profit Trader does it the best, patient. They really do. I'm surprised no one's copied Take Profit Trader. That they're the number one in the business right now. The cuck zone. Dude, I was just looking like, you're going to long and see if they test the wick. Morty, may the odds forever be in your favor. What's MLL? I know DLL is daily loss limit. What's an MLL? Yo, I want one more trade. One more trade. A maximum lose limit? What's the in a trade? Is that a per trade or is that like in general? Isn't that just when the account is blown? Gold is ripping. I bet gold is ripping. Gold's probably ripping because of all this trade talk. MOC today, I'm not going to play. I'm going to play the drift. Yeah, account protection. Dude, fucking this market, man, do something. Fuck. I'm exhausted. Well, you know what it is? I had so many people asking me about funded ticks. I get a code everywhere just so I have it. I don't let anybody take it, so I have it, and I just have it at all times. You want to see 780s? Dude, I hope so. I mean, if you look, though, stochastics are coming up, Sean, and we're not really going anywhere. So you got to think when stochastics roll, you got juice to the downside. You know what I'm saying? Like stochastics are now at 74. So if we start moving down, you got room for a push to the downside rather than, other places. 2 weeks? I knew it. Yo, if you're locked in barbecue's basement, just blink. Just blink. Let us know. Yo, you got 48. They gave you 43 accounts. Back to work. Dude, you know what I could do now? Check this out. Yo, you can click here. I clicked a button, and I can see who the participants are in the chat. See? You can see who's really participating in here. And you could do like a giveaway for these people because they're actually on participating in the chat. That's a good fucking idea because you can't fake that. These are actually people who are actually typing in the chat and that participate. Interesting. So that's a list of users currently in the stream and actively using the chat. It's just those people who have typed chat recently. Juan, I'm just trying to figure out how to get rid of all the spam. I am going to start doing Discord only giveaways randomly, by the way. I thought about that this week because the Discord community is pretty cool. And it'll just be in addition to just the people who are hanging out in there. Bro, this market is literally trading within this little fucking range for so long. Hey, they stopped 91% off. They stopped 91% off. Yeah. That's a good idea, Bum. That's a good idea. Dude, this is just a I don't know what we're gonna do. I thought we would sell off here, but here we are. You blew 6 accounts. You can make it back. You can definitely make it back. One good payout. Bulenox took away 91%. %91 is gone on Bulenox. Dude, we're literally just fucking trading in this little range. I wouldn't be surprised if they rip this one way or the other in the last little bit. Dude, Ron, that's a freaking hit. Jim M. No, you saw another Jim. All good. I have not seen any. I would not use any new props. I mean, a new prop isn't going to make you more. I would just stick with what's working. I would stick with what's working. Bro, I'm not trading gold. I'm out on gold. I'm definitely out on gold. This MOC is going to make or break this whole thing. Damn, Ted. Ted's going heavy. Yeah, you get that one little win and you suck back in and you're like, oh shit, this is good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Fuck, man. Is it going to blast off into space? I would rather see the move to the downside, personally. I think the move to the downside has more room. This is fucking risky as shit. I know, Knob. I know. That's my issue with this. That was my issue with this, is the sellers have had their chance and they've done nothing. Fuck it. This thing's just going to go. Come on, man. Just fucking hit it. Oh, shit. Are you kidding me? We came up. Push it. Let's go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. Keep fucking going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Just go. Just go. Fuck yes. More. I want more. More. Blast into fucking space. Woo! Oh, let's go. Fuck yes. Keep going. Oh. Yo. Boom. I was wrong, but knew enough to take the other side. Made back my 150 plus another 150. Boom. That's how I do it. That was a quick, that was nice because that was a brand new funded account. Yo, like a red rocket, Robert. Cove Concepts, baby. I told myself I wasn't trading any more PA accounts too. I was like, I'm not trading any more PA accounts. I got to make one trade in this account, actually. I got to make a trade in this account because of because it takes 5 days to pass one of these bad boys. Yeah, I don't, most people don't even realize that. It takes. Dude, it heisted you. You got heisted. I'm just setting up my copy trader and whatnot. Get it going. Yo, if you want, I need one more fucking. I need one more entry here for. Bro, it's not even the right fucking account. It's not even the right account. This is the right account. It's just stupid. That was the right account. Whatever. I needed to get the trade in, so I just got it. I need to get in my trade for the day. I need to get in my trade day. That was quick 150. Let's see what happens right now. Let's go. Dude, I need a big fucking... Yo, honestly, I kind of like this getting lower. I kind of like this lower. Right here is money, actually. I'm going to play this in 5 minutes to the downside. Come on. Yo, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that. Wow, they just popped it. Whoo! You got less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. Oh. I hope this dumps at the end of the day. I'm looking for the dump. I'm looking for the dump. I would like it to see it to the downside, Oliver. I'm only playing it to the downside. I will not play it to the upside. Glacier, not dumping. 1 hour cup and handle forming. Possibly. Possibly. I don't need it to dump that far. I need it to dump 5 points, 7 points. That's all I need. 7 points. Visible, do you know who it is? He's giving me advice. I don't know. He was telling me a company, hey, I don't know. Advice? Stick to what works if it works for you. I'm looking for 5 points. I just need 5 points. Like, I don't need a dump. I need 5 points. You want to, that's what you learned from a course you bought? Here, go get yourself a free course on me. It doesn't cost you anything, Glacier. That's my free futures insight. Absolutely free. And you can take the PDF and share it with whoever you want to share it with. If grandma wants it, give it to grandma. If her bingo buddies want it, send it to her bingo buddies. Yo, Morty, everything I do is free. I don't try. I have free Discord, free everything. There's nothing in there that's going to sell you on anything, Glacier. There's no hidden fees. There's no one-time sales. There's nothing. Everything on there is free. It's a PDF that talks a little bit and then shows you all the videos and strategies. There's nothing in there that you got to pay for. Oh, I put the wrong fucking. Is that gonna fuck me? I swear, I hope this thing doesn't fuck me. The Ninja Trader error that you just saw. If this doesn't hit within the next minute or two, I'm pulling it. Just an FYI. I'm okay. Till 4:10, Mystic Rick. I'm just waiting. Oh my God. Oh, I am not liking this. I'm sticking to the script. If it breaks down, whatever happens, happens. It's out of my hands. If it comes down low, like to 71, I'll move my stop. Otherwise, I'm fucked. The one thing I don't like about this is how long it took to catch my order. I like to catch within a first minute. So the fact that we kind of drifted is not, see, that's what I didn't like about it. I probably wouldn't play it anymore if it doesn't hit on the first minute. Tell me I got top ticked. I'm not jumping back in, but no, I didn't. But yeah, typically I want this candle to take me in. I probably should have just said fuck it when this candle didn't take me in either. Nah, I was thinking if you just move up, but yeah. That's typically the move. It works. I back tested it, so it's not like I'm randomly doing it. I'll show you a back test if you guys want to see it. Because I know someone on here being like, yo, that's so bullshit, man. Look what happened. It fucking didn't work. I'll show you the back test. So the back test on it is right here. Oh, where the fuck is it? There we go. So here's the back test on it. So it hits 59% of the time, but the win rate to the downside is 75%. Win rate to the upside is 35%. In 6 days, stock itch. So here's the stats. But look, like, you know, 1 in 4 times it loses. My take profit was 25 ticks. Stop loss 20 ticks. And I live or die by the stats. You know, the stats are the stats. You know, you can lose a bunch, but I'm looking at the overall picture. I'm not looking at one day. If you keep playing this over and over and over, it wins. Yeah, Anderson, I forward tested it and it works. 5 points. What's FX Replay? It's a back testing software. I found some good shit in there. That I can tell you. This actually looks like it's going to fucking dump. What's the back test? Is the drift. $20 ticks, 25 take profit, 20 stop. I could adjust it depending on what happens. Like, did you see me move my stop up and stuff like that? Like, it's based on the 59 candle, but I can adjust it based on other factors that I see, like, you know, are we right above VWAP? Are we by moving averages? Like, there's other things I'll take into consideration when doing it. You know, I would say that you can base it off the 59 candle, but then as things, you know, if you get a big 59 candle, then I adjust it accordingly where I think it would go on the bottom. But this looks like, obviously I wasn't going to hold this shit because it went as high, it went super fucking high. Oh, have you ever tried an EA or an auto strategy? What do you mean auto strategy? You talking about like Ninja Traders auto strategy? If that is what you're talking about, the answer is yes. If you want to talk about it, I'll talk about it in Discord. It did not win today, Anderson. I was up a very little bit for a very little bit. All right. I'm exhausted. I really didn't sleep the last couple of days. We're going to run the Ducks, and then I am getting the fuck out. I got a whole lot of shit to do. Honestly, my day could have been a little bit, my day could have been better. I just didn't trust. I didn't trust the stats of my morning trade. So my morning trade actually hit. This was my morning trade. And this should have been copied on all these PA accounts. And I didn't love it. So I took it off on these accounts and I left them in here. And I should have just said, hey, I know the data. I know the stats. Like, whatever happens, happens. And I should have just kept it going. And I didn't. So whatever happens, whatever it looks like going forward, I am just going to roll with whatever the results are. And it is what it is. So I learned a valuable lesson today. But my one morning trade that I like two different morning trades. What happened was the first one that I take actually fucked up and I didn't take it. And that was a loser. So I made out on that because that loses. That's like a 75, 80% win rate. So the fact that I didn't get caught in the one loser means I might go on another streak of 3 to 5 winners in a row. How much should a person risk? I like to risk anywhere between 200 and 500. So yeah, that was my problem. Is I should have just trusted the data. But what's crazy was the early one lost, which is interesting, and I didn't get caught in it. So that's like a huge win because that would have lost $300 in all my accounts. So I guess I kind of net broke even. I didn't take the loser. I took the winner, but I didn't take the winner in all my accounts. So I had no loser, and just I didn't win as much as I should have in the winners. But without taking the loser, things worked out pretty good. All right, let's run this shit. Hey, man, just keep stacking gains. Monet's here. She just texted me. By the way, if you're brand new here and you want to join the duck race for free accounts, you got to subscribe to the channel. And also, we stream live twice a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader below. That's what allows me to do this every day. I'm just letting you guys know I'm going to start doing once a week Discord giveaways for whoever's in the Discord. So if you want to get in there, jump in and join the community. If not, if you don't have a Discord then that's up to you. You don't need one. But I'm definitely going to start giving back to the community. Also, it's hard to scam. It's hard to scam in Discord because is 007 in here? It's hard to scam in Discord. Yo, is he in here? Yo, if you want to see any prop deals, free options course, and everything else, it's all at that link. I am here. Oh, damn, Stock Itch. Could always make it back. Yo, is Willie C in the house? Yeah, this is someone different. Willie C in the house? I saw Willie before. He was just asking questions. Did he leave? Willie! Yo, Willie. See my Willie? Bro. Willie's got 20 seconds to get in here. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, he's already, AKA is already in the duck race. He's already in the winner's race. He won the numbers game. He won the numbers game before. Yeah, but he won the numbers game, so you're already in it. I think there's one more. Here you go. Jones, I do not have a number. What do you need a number for what? PG. Literally, you were in this duck race. You're right. You're literally right there. Cave Trader, where were you? Did you put the code in? Oh, I don't know why that's not working. Did you put the code in? Dude, should have put the code in. Ah, well, you got to be here earlier. You got to be on the stream early. Why when it's open? It's not open now. That's why you didn't get added. Yeah, if you come in after the market's closed, it's already closed. Yeah. Boom. Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed? Monet won. Ran out of bounces. Yo, you got yourself a core account from My Funded Futures, Monet. Cores. The new core account. Honestly, that's probably a perfect account for you. Yo, you guys are hating. What did he do? I don't know what he did. I must have missed it. Yo, you guys are fucking hysterical. Anybody got questions? I like My Funded Futures. I think for the honestly, for 66 bucks, it's a pretty good fucking deal. I'll be honest with you, prop firms were cheap, and then they started getting not cheap. And now with the increased competition, they're starting to work themselves down again. I've noticed that. Now everyone's competing again, and the prices are going down. Oh, what are they? It's two people? Roshan and Ross Han are oh. I'll tell you what, if you're caught cheating, you're banned for life. Yo, have a good weekend. Stock Itch, if you're on here, I'm around all the time, bro. I feel like I kind of fucking dropped the ball today, but I could have gotten hosed at the same time. So it is what it is. What trades did we take? Max a million. A lot. A lot. Yeah, I got my son's birthday tomorrow. It was one of those days. Yeah, but I just didn't follow my rules in the morning, which is so stupid by me. I didn't follow my rules. No, I traded on the NQ. I could have made a lot of money, and I just didn't. And it was what it was. And I will be back on Monday to do it again. You know, I should have made this in a lot of accounts, and I did not. And if I followed my rules, this would have been red. These all would have been red, but then these would have been up. All these PA accounts would be up $400. So net, I would have made more. But I guess I have no losers and then just wins. But that's not necessary. I want to go for big payouts, and I should just follow my rules. I'm jumping off. I got to go do some running around, and it's Friday. I'm exhausted. If you have any questions, come in the Discord, ask. If not, I will see you on Monday. Everybody, enjoy your weekend. Hopefully, you have some fun. All right. I am copy trading, but peace.